Hello students, I am Raghavan Kumar Singh, faculty of US Academy and Institute. Today we will discuss class 9th, Geography's third chapter, Drainage. The term drainage describes the river system of an area. Small streams flowing from different directions come together to form the main river, which ultimately drains into a large water body such as a lake or a sea or ocean. In this chapter, we will discuss about lakes, their important role of rivers in the economy and river pollution. The area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. Any elevated area such as a mountain or an upland which separates two drainage basins is known as water divide. Now, the drainage system in India. The Indian rivers are divided into two major groups, the Himalayan river and the Peninsular river. The Himalayan river and the Peninsular river, most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial, which means they have water throughout the years. Peninsular rivers are seasonal. These rivers receive water from rain as well as from melted snow from high mountains. The flow of these rivers is dependent on rainfall. Two major Himalayan rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, originates from the north of the mountain ranges. Most of the rivers of peninsular India originates in the western Ghats and flow towards the Bay of Bengal. The Himalayan rivers have long course from their source to the sea. These rivers have shorter and shallower courses as compared to Himalayan rivers. Now, the Himalayan rivers. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. A river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. The Indus River System. Indus is one of the longest rivers in the world, with a total length of 2,900 km. The river Indus rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. It enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir, where it forms a picturesque gorge. The Satluj, the Beas, the Ravi, the Chenab, and the Jhelum joins together to enter the Indus near Mithon in Pakistan. Now, the Ganga river system. The source of the Ganga, called the Bhagirathi, is fed by the Gangotri glacier and joined by the Alaknanda and Devaprayag in Uttarakhand. The Ganga emerges from the mountain to the plains of Haridwar. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries from the Himalayas, a few of them being major rivers such as the Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandak, and the Koshi. The length of the Ganga is over 2,500 km. Farakka in West Bengal is the northmost point of the Ganga Delta, where the Ganga river divides into two parts, the Bhagirathi and Hubli, which flows southward throughout the deltaic plains to the Bay of Bengal. The main stream flows southward into the Bangladesh, is joined by the Brahmaputra. Further downstreams, it is known as the Meghna. The Meghna river flows in the Bay of Bengal and forms Sundarban Delta. Now, the Brahmaputra river system. The Brahmaputra rises in Tibet east of Mansarovar Lake. It is slightly longer than the Indus. On reaching the Namcha Barwa, 7,757 meter, it takes a U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh, where it is called the Dihang. Dihang is joined by the Dibang, the Lohit, and many other tributaries to form the Brahmaputra in Assam. Now about the peninsular rivers. The main water divides in peninsular India is formed by the Western Ghats. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula, such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri, flows eastward and drains into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers make deltas at their mouths. The Narmada and the Tapi are the only long rivers which flows west and make estuaries. The Narmada basin. The Narmada rises in the Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. The Narmada flows through a deep gorge at the Marble Rocks near Jabalpur. At Dhuadhar Falls, the river jumps over steep rocks. The Narmada basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The Tapi basin. The Tapi river rises in the Satpura ranges in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Its basin covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. The Godavari basin. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river. Its length is about 1500 km. It rises from the slopes of the Western Ghats in the Nasik district of Maharashtra. The basin covers parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. The Godavari is joined by a number of tributaries such as the Purna, the Vardha, the Pranhita, the Manjara, the Vainganga, and the Penganga. Owing to its length and the area it covers, it is also known as Dakshina Ganga. Now the Mahanadi basin. The Mahanadi rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh. The length of the river is about 860 km. Its drainage basin is shared by the Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Odisha. The Krishna basin. It rises from a spring near Mahabaleshwar. The length of the river is about 1400 km. Its drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. The Kaveri basin. The Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. The total length of the river is about 760 km. Its basin drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Besides these major rivers, there are some smaller rivers flowing towards the east. Some of them are the Damodar, the Brahmani, the Baitarni, the Subarnrekha. Now about the lakes. India has many lakes. These lakes differ from each other in size and other characteristics. Most lakes are permanent. Some contains water only during the rainy season. Some lakes are the result of the action of glaciers and ice sheets. Some have been formed by wind, river actions, and human activities. These lakes are attractive for tourists in a place like Srinagar, Nainital. Different lakes are meandering rivers across flood plains, forms cutoff that later develops into oxbow lakes, spits, and bars. for lagoon in the coastal areas. Example: the Chilika Lake, the Palicut Lake, and the Koleru Lake. Lakes in the region of inland drainage are sometimes seasonal. For example, the Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is a salt water lake which is used for producing salt. Most of the freshwater lake share in the Himalayan region. They are of a glacial origin. The Buller Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is the result of tectonic activities, which is the largest freshwater lake in India. Some other important freshwater lakes are Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Loktak, and Barapani. Now, the importance of lakes. Lakes are useful to human beings in many ways. Lakes helps to regulate the flows of a river during heavy rain. These lakes prevent flooding during the dry season. These lakes helps to maintain an even flow of water. Lakes can also be used for developing hydel power. Lakes moderate the surroundings, climate, maintain the aquatic ecosystem, enhance natural beauty, and provide recreation. Now, the role of river in the economy. Rivers have been of fundamental importance throughout human beings in history. Water flows from rivers in a basic natural resource, essential for various human activities. Rivers are used for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation, etc. Now, about the river pollution. The growing domestic, municipal industries and agricultural demands for water from river is affecting the quality of water. Rivers are getting polluted as a heavy load of untreated sewage and industrial effluent are getting emptied into the rivers. Concern over rising river pollution led to the launching of various action plans to clean the river.